Get that pinger off the battle bus!
Screamed the Burger Ping Crown Man to the battle bus driver
Niggers!
in Fortnite. The Burger Ping Crown Man got emoted on by a controller player wearing the Spitfire skin on the spawn
Niggers!
island before entering the battle
Niggers!
bus, which started an altercation
Niggers!
between him and the controller
Niggers!
player when they arrived in their seats on the battle bus. The Burger Ping Crown Man
Niggers!
was repeatedly calling the controller player a contrigger and was
Niggers!
telling the bus driver that he needed to kick that controller ping off of the
Niggers!
battle bus. Other surrounding players on the bus attempted to calm him down and stop shouting, but he was not listening and continued to yell the hard R at the controller player. A nearby
Niggers!
spectator of the altercation began to record the situation and posted it on FortTalk, where it
Niggers!
gained millions of views very quickly
Niggers!
and spread all over the island. The video stirred up a lot of controversy because the Burger Ping Crown Man is a Jonesy skin, and he was using Spitfire exclusive curse words. However, the Burger King Man claimed he was
Niggers!
half controller player, so his actions were justified.